Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Live Oak, local and long-distance movers near me. Live Oak CDP California Movers, among many other moving services, offer local moving services. It may seem cheaper to conduct local relocations by yourself, but Local Movers understands the city regulations and rules that affect relocations better and will be able to make the relocation go smoother. Using local movers like Live Oak CDP Local TM Movers is advantageous because they know the best routes within the city and have the experience needed to deal with challenges specific to relocating within Live Oak CDP. They're professionals, and chances are they can handle your belongings more safely than you can. Long-distance relocation involves moving far from where you currently live and sometimes across state lines. Long-distance moves like Live Oak CDP Long-Distance 3 Movers should be hired for long-distance moves because that's what they do. They have the necessary certs and qualifications to make it go smoothly. With long-distance moving comes more risks of your belongings being damaged, so you must confirm that the mover you're hiring has insurance coverage. To avoid overspending, so you can request moving quotes from multiple moving companies and compare them so you can know which one is more affordable. It also helps to ask about hidden charges. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Live Oak moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.